I just told him that they don't play baseball here anymore. And he said they play soccer because it's easier. So basically he's saying that for you to play baseball, you need gloves for the whole team. You need multiple baseball bats, and you need balls. But when it comes Hey guys, so Jose Marti Square, the president's offices are on the other side.
Hola mi amor, ¿cómo te va? Quisiera verte y tan lejos que estás.
So guys, we're about to get in the cars. We're about to get in the cars. Sun is out though. I don't know if I want to do this because the sun is still shining. Look how cool they are. Woo! Woo! I think we're gonna get in these cars right here. The pink, the red and white, pink, white, green. Question, which one should I get on? Or which one you think I'm gonna get on? So we're about to get in the car. We picked this one. And we're gonna get on this car right now. What do you guys think? Let's do this, man. Let's do this real quick. Let's do this. Yo me voy a entrar adelante porque ustedes son unos cabrones.
Bueno, deja que entre nosotros, ¿vale?
Entren. Tú andas con tu manada, vete para atrás.
Como tú me dijiste ahorita, muy bueno para hablar.
Está bien, pero yo estoy grabando YouTube.
Dale.
Dale. So I'm with a whole bunch of people here, man. Like 40 people. Eso. Los muchachos de atrás. Aleluya. Han picado, han bebido, han dado tour que se conocen ellos de memoria. Él está aquí ya porque él quiere venir adelante. Lo mandé con su manada para atrás. Por pariguar. Ya estamos
No te vacejo de no tenerte cerca, me hace mucha falta. Tu carita bella, tu cuerpo que me mata y me lleva a las estrellas. Mándame una foto, pero que sea fresca, sexy, coqueta, atrevida, perversa, porque amo mi chula. A tu diligencia, tírame la foto por el mensaje o mi ping. Yo soy el king en el Facebook o por Skype. Tira la mami. Tira la foto, mami. Take that dirty picture, baby. En el espejo un palo. Pero dale, qué melodía. El verdadero swing de Nueva York. Yo me inventé la bacanería. Tú sabes.
Sexy, mándame una foto, tómate una foto, sexy, tómate una foto, mándame una foto, sexy, mándame una foto, tómate una foto, sexy, mándame una foto, sexy, mándame una foto, foto.
Here we go, guys. We're just gonna go super slow in El Malecón. This is one of the main streets in Cuba. This is actually one of the most famous one and the most known street in Cuba. Everybody comes here during the day, during the night. So, I mean, everywhere we needed to go, whenever we wanted to go anywhere, we always ended up being in El Malecón somehow. We had to go through this street, so. I mean, and it's amazing too because, you know, you have the ocean on one side, You have all these colonial buildings on the other side. So it's definitely a good time. So we ended up taking the yellow. We ended up taking the red car, the red and white car, and we actually paid only $30. If you're watching my videos, you're gonna know that in the previous video, a lady was charging me $40 for the same tour. And the next day we got on the car for $30, and it was the same tour actually. So, always negotiate here and there. $10 is definitely not a lot. But, it's just the principle of the thing, You always want to make sure that you're getting charged correctly and that you're paying the correct price, not just because somebody's telling you this much you're going to pay it. So this is the day, man. The sun is shining. I mean, it was a perfect time, right before sunset. So this is where you get to see how beautiful everything is. I just love how the buildings land like that, like one after the other, and then the ocean on the other side. It's just a beautiful sight, man. It's just a beautiful sight.
Hola mi amor, ¿cómo te va? Quisiera verte y tan lejos que estás. Quiero tocarte en la boca, besarte y tu cuerpo acariciar. Hola mi amor, ¿cómo te va? Quisiera... Aquí, mándame una foto sexy especial para mí. Toma el celular, ponte a posar. Mándame la foto, mami, no pienses más.
Mándame una foto sexy, mándame una foto. Tómate una foto sexy, tómate una foto. Mándame una foto sexy, mándame una foto. Tómate una foto sexy, sexy, sexy. Mándame una foto sexy, mándame una foto. Foto, 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 foto.
Y cuando estoy solito, quiero tenerte aquí. Mándame una foto sexy especial para mí. Toma el celular, ponte a posar. Mándame la foto, mami, no pienses más.
Mándame una foto sexy, mándame una foto. Tómate una foto sexy, tómate una foto. Mándame una foto sexy, mándame una foto. Tómate una foto sexy, sexy, sexy.
Lluvia negra, el verdadero guerrero urbano. Alvin Timbal. Me gusta, me gusta, me gusta, me gusta. En Baby, mira yo el Melody. Cuando te vaceo, quiero tenerte cerca, me hace mucha falta. Tu carita bella, tu cuerpo que me mata y me lleva a las estrellas. Mándame una foto, pero que sea fresca, sexy, coqueta, atrevida, perversa, porque amo a mi chula. A tu diligencia, tírame la foto por un mensaje o mi ping. Yo soy el king en el Facebook o por Skype. Tírala mami, tírala mami, tira la foto mami. Take that dirty picture baby. En el espejo un palo. Pero dale, qué melodía. El verdadero swing de Nueva York. Yo me inventé la bacanería. Tú sabes. ¡Gloria!
Sexy, mándame una foto. Tómate una foto sexy, tómate una foto. Mándame una foto sexy, mándame una foto. Tómate una foto sexy, sexy, sexy. Mándame una foto sexy, mándame una foto.
Man, I'm not gonna go crazy talking in this video. I just want to show you more. Let the scenery, let these amazing views talk. And I'm just going to take the back seat and relax. My boys are with me. We're having a blast. I mean, do not forget to subscribe, guys. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, so I cannot thank you guys enough. I mean, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I'm here for you guys. Anything you need from me, please reach out in the comments. If it's something that's going to take a little bit more time, you know, come check me out on IG. Come check me out on Instagram, man. Just leave me a comment, leave me a DM on Instagram at rayharperintl, and I will definitely respond. You don't have to pay. It's free. Also, if you come into Cuba in the future and you would like to know all the places that I visited, like the restaurants, the clubs, the bars, you know, where's the best places to stay, the best tours, you know, I went through the work and I actually put together a travel guide. I'm going to link it right here in the description for you guys. All the stuff that I was wearing, all the fashion that I was wearing in my trip to Cuba, all the fashion that my friend was wearing. I'm going to put the link so you could also buy it. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but, you know, just giving you the options. I have some crazy pants in this trip, man. I know you're going to like them. And they are at a very, very good price. So check them out. Also, if you need a consultation, reach out. I'm here for you, man. And I could definitely break it down to you, you know, anything that you might need on your next trip to Cuba. Do not forget to subscribe one more time. It's your boy, rayharperintl. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Ahora ahí en el parqueo hacemos todas las fotos que tú quieras. Con más espacio, con mejor vista, mejores ángulos.
Hey guys, so Jose Marti Square, the president's offices are on the other side, and then this building I think is the defense offices. This one, ¿cuál es este?
La Biblioteca Nacional.
The National Library. Y este,
Telecomunicaciones, Ministerio,
Communications,
Police
and the police station, like the main police station here.
y Teatro Nacional. Teatro Nacional.
My National Theater. Woo! You can see it all here, baby. This is so cool.
On the back, on the monument. This
Yeah,
is
Jose
the
Marti.
Consul, the Communist Party, the presidential office.
This is what is that?
The back on the monument.
Yeah.
Presidential State Consul, Communist Party, President Office.
Okay. Good. And this is the defense, right?
Yeah. Economía, economy.
Oh, economy. That's the one over there. Okay.
And right there, the construction ministry.
Oh,
You see the-
where it says construct something, construir. Got it. There you go, guys. Now you know where everything is.
Arriba.
Hola mi amor, ¿cómo te va? Quisiera verte y tan lejos que estás. Quiero tocarte en la boca, besarte y tu cuerpo acariciar. Hola mi amor, ¿cómo te va? Quisiera verte y tan lejos que estás. Quiero tocarte en la boca, besarte y tu cuerpo acariciar. Y cuando estoy solito, quiero tenerte aquí. Mándame una foto sexy especial para mí. Toma el celular.
People learn how to live with this, man. They find a way to move around the system and get it to work for you.
The tallest building in Cuba. They said the construction is like an open book. This building right here. ¿Cómo se llama it? Foxa. There you go. It sounds like a bad word, but it's not. Learning a lot today. Foxa. I just noticed that they don't play baseball here anymore. And he said they play soccer because it's easier. So basically he's saying that for you to play baseball you need gloves for the whole team. You need multiple baseball bats and you need balls. But when it comes to soccer, you only need one ball. So it's easy, it's cheaper, in a country where there's nothing. That's his explanation. And it makes sense, man. It makes sense. That's funny, I never thought about it that way. Y ahora mismo no somos ni buenos ni en fútbol ni en béisbol. So right now they're not good in football or baseball. So it doesn't matter actually.
Tenemos muy buenos peloteros, es lo que te iba a decir. Sí. Pero juegan grande al mundo, no representan a Cuba, porque el gobierno no lo.
So they have really good baseball players. They play in the major league, but they don't represent Cuba.
Yo soy bueno y como bueno, hoy de cara al sol, y con una cosa blanca, el julio como el enero, para el amor. Quiero bendecirte que te vaya.
Amén, gracias.
Venga, ¿cómo estamos? Te levantaste ahí. Asesísimo tú.
La Bodeguita del Medio, the most popular bar in Havana. Not the most popular, it's one of the oldest bars in Havana. It's actually super popular as well. You see all those people there, that's what they're waiting for.
Ahí. Tú,